So one of the goodies that the team at Jackery has sent me so that we can power all of our camera equipment, plus our Starlink satellite service as well when we go out and camp and explore, and bring you some new reviews that are coming through this year, is this here. It's a Jackery SolarSaga 100. It's a 100 watt output solar panel, and it pairs perfectly with our Jackery Explorer 1000 LFP 1 kilowatt hour portable power station. Now, the cool thing about this is it's nice and well packed. So when you get it, no matter where you're shipping it across the country, you're not going to have any issues with this being poorly packed and arriving damaged. It has, again, a really nice and easy way to open it up and reveal it. And a nice little storage kind of carry area just here. That there just to open it up and prop it up when you're setting it up. On this side, you have another one of those to prop it up, but you also have this little pocket here where you can kind of fit whatever you want to store, as well as the actual cable that needs to go from here onto the power unit, because on that little portable power hub, you can actually power 2 of these onto there as well, which makes it really, really handy. Now, opening this up, it literally is as simple as folding it open and getting the right direction so that you can open it up and rest it. So Bob's your uncle. It literally is as simple as that to use the Jackery 100 watt solar panel that's foldable. It will help power that portable power station, which is 1 kilowatt hour worth of power in an LFP battery in about 15 hours. However, I do want to talk to the team at Jackery because I understand that you can have 2 of these and it will actually fully recharge that power cube with using 2 of them to 200 watts within 3 hours. So I want to ask them a bit more to better understand that. Perhaps we might be able to test and trial that, so I'll speak to them with that. But in the meantime, very excited to put this to the test and see just how much solar we can generate from this on the go, so that if you're a family that just wants to go camping, but you don't want to buy a 4-wheel drive, or you don't want to invest in a very expensive and costly dual battery system, you can put your money into a portable power cube that can also be used to power your house in an emergency, such as a blackout after a weather event here in Queensland, as an example like we had recently. So let me know what you have as questions in the comments section. I like the quality and the build and the feel of these items so far, but we haven't tested them yet. So very soon we'll test them and we'll see how they go.